Waste management service in Tuckerman, Arkansas. Efficient waste management is essential for every project, and that's where we come in. At Sullivan's Dumpster Rental, we provide a trusted waste management service in Tuckerman, Arkansas. Our mission is to simplify your cleanup efforts, no matter the scale. From spring cleaning to full-scale demolition, we have the dumpsters and the expertise to handle your waste. We believe in making things simple. With easy booking, fast delivery, and convenient pickups, we take the stress out of renting a dumpster. Our team takes the time to understand your project and recommend the perfect dumpster size. We know each job is different, so our service is always tailored to fit your needs. We serve both residential and commercial clients with equal dedication. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or contractor, we've got your back. With affordable pricing and transparent billing, you'll never have to guess what you're paying for. Our quotes are honest, and our service is top tier. We care about the environment, the community, and your satisfaction. Our commitment to service is what sets us apart. Call Sullivan's Dumpster Rental at 870-316-8896 to schedule your rental. Let's tackle your cleanup project together and make it easier than ever.